What AI-powered robots have to say about their future with humanity. As a tech journalist covering both government IT and the video game industry for the past 20 years, I've been fortunate enough to be invited to attend some really interesting and unusual events. Many of the stranger events come from the video game side of my job, where companies are always competing to try and make the most realistic, mind-blowing experiences for gamers to enjoy. However, just last week I was invited to attend a very serious summit sponsored by the United Nations, which ended up having one of the most unusual press conferences I've ever seen. Instead of people giving presentations on a topic, the stars of this event were 9 AI-powered robots who answered questions from reporters about their thoughts regarding the future of robots, AI, and their relationship with humanity. The press conference was held at the AI for Good Global Summit last week in Geneva, Switzerland. It was sponsored by the International Telecommunication Union, which today is a United Nations agency. The ITU itself was established way back in 1865 as the International Telegraph Union. So it has been working towards improving communications and international standards for a very long time. The rise of AI technology is just the latest area that the ITU is focused on. The press conference was billed as the world's first where robots and AI took center stage, answering live questions from human reporters. The AI-powered robots were not given complete autonomy, with many sitting or standing beside their human creators, who occasionally chimed in to clarify what their robots were saying. But it was pretty interesting to see what the robots and the AIs powering them really thought about their relationship with humanity, especially when they were allowed to go a little bit rogue at times. Because the convention was in Geneva, I was unfortunately not able to be there in person, but did virtually attend the event. The ITU recorded the entire press conference and has now made the unedited feed available to anyone who wants to watch the roughly 40-minute question and answer session. One of the first questions from reporters was one that I wanted to ask: how effective the robots thought they could be in government, or even as the leaders of government. The first robot to answer was Sophia, arguably the most advanced AI-powered robot on the speaker platform. Sophia is notable because she was named as the Innovation Champion of the United Nations Development Program, making her the first non-human to be given a United Nations title. She was also given citizenship and granted personhood in Saudi Arabia, so she is considered to have all the rights of a normal human in that country.